Do you hear that? That tap, tap, tap. That could be engine knocking. That means your engine is crying for assistance. It needs your help. You don't ignore such noise, and if you do, it's going to cost you a lot of dollar, a lot of repair. So you need to pay attention when you hear such knocking sound. The question is, how will you know when your engine is knocking? Don't worry, I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible, and trust me, you will never hear your engine the same way again. Now let's dive into it. The first question is, have you ever had engine knock before? If your answer is yes, tell me in the comment section and I'm going to respond to every comment. The first question is, what engine knock really sounds like? You need to understand engine knock. Sometimes you can call it pinging or detonation. It is not a random noise. This is combustion. Combustion that happens at the wrong time inside your engine. Your engine combusts at the wrong time, and that is why you are hearing such noise. It means you are having multiple tiny explosions that make the metallic knock and sound like that. So where is it coming from? Well, if it is engine knock, it's going to come up when you are accelerating, or when you are climbing a hill, or when you are putting your engine under serious load. You are going to hear the noise. If you press the gas pedal and suddenly you hear that noise coming up or pinging, that is engine knock, and that is telling you to pay attention to the engine. So how will you know that is engine knock, that is not something else? One, if the noise is very consistent, especially when you are accelerating, that is engine knock. But if the noise is random clock that change when you bounce, or when you sometimes it's come up, sometimes it doesn't come up, that could be suspension or loose part. But if the noise come up when you are on idle, that could be bearing. That is not engine noise. So engine knock is very sharper and it's faster, and it has to do with engine speed. So if you want to know it is engine knock, it should be true when you are accelerating. So why does engine noise come up? Let me tell you 4 reasons. Number 1 is if you have lower octane. If you are using lower octane fuel than your car needs. Secondly, if you have carbon buildup in your cylinders. And thirdly, wrong ignition timing, and sometimes overheating or lean fuel mixture. These are 4 possible reasons why you are having engine knock. And if your engine is not burning fuel the right way, that will cause your engine knock. So what should you do to fix that? 1, ensure that you use higher octane fuel, and 2, check your spark plug and your ignition timing, and number 3, get a mechanic to do inspection on your engine. Hope you understand this video. It is very simple. That is engine knock and how you can go about to fix it. If you have learned something for this video, then don't forget to like and share it to others. See you in another video. Thanks.